Alright, yama atiefo ne arafo nyina so akwaba famra dwumadi so ha air chaps ado TV yatena so once again get more updates and so ana etim ba be somo how to focus some ha our squad ambebo atia team e fene Asante Kotoko nyambo china e wa ha Asante Kotoko de so etimi e wa ha how to focus maba one Oaks FC and so air champions e won ye fene say e gafa division 1 e women league no me pa cha we no e zone A ehora che so so etimi e champion yefa ana ma qualify enso etimi eko yere won sam nyina enso etimi ba o sabe kan e Facebook Charles Ado YouTube enso Charles Ado TV subscribe share for comment no enso eto ase na TikTok no enso Charles Ado TV yatena se more update no enso etimi ba na fa bia so no etimi akoso kama ene da sonko de ma mi ankasa me sanse ne ana yakupon de afe enso etima coming finti ne ya mi ankasa me birthday happy birthday to myself young first na fe yam fan sem no enso entimi famra atiefo Oaks FC na menyanto boase en chechirem kakra enso entimi fanche atiefo ene day ana tese u gafa division 1 women's league no zone A de no so no club e fane so Oaks FC and so any epiphany new generation at a company match the game and now so Oaks FC I win by a goal to nil at so a course what I say Oaks FC for them and so it's me at J near fan say a year I'm Gafa division 1 women's league zone A no and so it's me as your man so na yen share jubilation ka krabi emra congratulations She said almost a celebrity ammonia e fan say win no a chese no so call so me patch out tie uwram e wani ye fan say eye division 1 league no e mara de animu a omachem a chese omachichem enso etimi e wo ho aye wo ebia enso so any regional almost so etimi ebo entino oba eye greater Accra regional e ho ana chese ye wo eye Oaks FC enso so etimo na Oaks FC mu de no ya chemu zones no ya transe ya chemu 2 ye zone A ana ye zone B enti zone A no eni zone B no ya hwe de ono so ebetiana se obia ebo ne de enko enti no ya hwe zone A de obeje ne zone B de obeje enti oba zone A na Oaks FC enso etimi je no na uko zone B a kalaba ye fa na se eye Samba ladies enso etimi eje ewoni aye fane se zombie eno se de no so etimi course na obewusa se after so Oaks FC enso etimi aje ni a ye fane se eye cup na se trophy no enso etimi sire na so no omokobo eye Premier League nyambo next season na aha na nchiremu no wotie ni ye se oje nya ye fane se eye ozone na uwini a be pacha eno Yakobo nya bibi e fa se eye middle league at the din eye women's division 1 zonal championship at se transfer se middle league no eno at se mosum kwakobo enti wo hwe 2022 2023 dia na eno so etimi eba so a omkobo no Eastern region ana afa susu no amoye obo bi wo Eastern region ana afa obo bi susu e woni ya fa se Asante region eye Kumase Eastern dia no koso kebi ana Asante region dia ne ba so enso e woni ya fa se eye Kumase na me pacha after say omunyina abo nya ya fa se eye zone ana so abo league no enso etimi ahwie no eho ane yi teams makoma ko 12 teams mako 12 na teams mako 12 no ɛhɔ no yɛkyɛm mienu yɛwɔ southern sector and yɛwɔ northern sector yɛwɔ southern sector and yɛwɔ northern sector enso ɛhɔ yɛka southern sector na southern sector ɛhɔ ana Greater Accra region ɛhɔ na central region ɛhɔ na eastern region, Volta region ana western region. Ɔmo 5 regions ɛna ɛwɔ near ɛfɔ no southern sector hɔ. Ɛna yɛba northern sector so a yɛwɔ 5 regions ɛwɔ northern sector. Ɛhɔ na yɛwɔ northern region, yɛwɔ Asante region, yɛwɔ upper east region, yɛwɔ upper west and yɛwɔ Bono Ahafo. Nti yɛkyɛ mu no mepakyɛ football no deɛ saa na ɛteɛ yɛwɔ 10 regions ɛnso ɛwɔ near ɛfɔ no football no akyɛ sɛ no so ɛkɔ so akyɛ sɛ last season 2024 deɛ no ɛnso ɛtumi kɔ so ɛwɔ near yɛfɔ no sɛ northern sector for deɛ no kɔ so wɔ Ket ES Okraku Technical Center ɛwɔ Winkogu. ɛhɔ na kyerɛ game no enso etimi kɔ so ana afei so okɔ southern sector for deɛ no enso kɔ so ɛwɔ Wafa Park ɛwɔ Sugakopɛ no so kɔ so na saa 10 regions no mepakyɛ a meka sɛ be 12 teams no enso afrim sɛ na 12 teams no ya na ɛteɛ normally no ɔmo yi nia yɛfa no sɛ ɛyɛ 2 teams from Greater Accra regions ɛwɔ southern sector na afei so no ɔmo yi 1 from a central region our southern sector hɔ normally 1 from eastern region our southern sector 1 our Volta region our southern sector 1 our western region enso our southern sector na afei oba northern sector no so a afa 2 our northern region na oba Asante region ma fa 1 wɔ upper east no ma fa 1 wɔ upper west no ma fa 1 our Bono anya na Ahafo enso hɔ nti no ofa 2-1-1-1-1-2-1-1-1 o combine na 12 into 12 teams no ona mbabo nia yɛfɔ no sɛ middle league and so 8 months sɛ no wuram ɛwɔ nia yɛfɔ no sɛ Greater Accra region deɛ na mepakyɛw 2 teams amo form no Oaks FC and club a yɛfɔ no sɛ Samba ladies amo ana kyerɛ ɔmo so ewiniye mepakyɛ saa clubs ne yɛ form nyina 12 clubs no sɛ yɛkɔbɔ middle league ni wi a obi abɔ ne deɛ sɛ southern sector for ne bɔ ɔmo deɛ na ɔmo bɔ wi a ne ayi mu 2 from southern sector ho na afei so no sɛ northern sector for nso bɔ ɔmo deɛ wi a ne ayi mu 2 from northern sector ho nti ayi mu 2 na ɛno ana kyerɛ sɛ next season ɔmo akɔbɔ Malta Guinness Women Premier League nti no srɛw Oaks FC no mepakyɛ ɔmo qualify ɛwɔ nia yɛfɔ no sɛ Premier League no na mmom ɔmo kɔbɔ nia yɛfɔ no sɛ middle league after middle league no na ɔmo ma good performance na ɔmo timi qualify for middle league na nyamboa next season ɔmo bɛbɔ Malta Guinness Premier League and saa na no so mu enkyeremu esitie nti once again yɛn congrats nia yɛfɔ no sɛ Oaks FC charity nti baabi ankɔ yɛn na so no so what in actually more correct here na bibia so net magana no esua nyambo tana Ghana edition of El Clasico no so 18 eba so na we match at say tough game and also 18 ba so a match day 30 at no so ebetimi akoso na okọ Heart of Folk aso ya omugu so at some hwani mu say bia so betimi akoso kama ede ama club e fene say Heart of Folk the Continental Club Masters na me pacha uram ɛwɔ nia yɛfɔ no sɛ Heart of Folk so panyina yɛfɔ no sɛ Abubakar Watara akasa yɛnkɔtie Watara nsɛm no afei yɛmfa squad no ɛntoa so mfama tiefo.
Coach, there's a big match on Sunday, Hearts against Kotoko. How prepared are you?
We are preparing in a positive way because when you look at our last results were very bad. But we only focus on it and we prepare a mentality and a positive way to come in this game because as Kotoko every time we don't have a small match, we don't have a friendly match. All the match is competition matches and everybody want to play and win. That's that mentality we are taking to Cameroon. Kotoko have a strong side. But outside also, we are prepared for that to come and play to get the ultimate, because Kotoko as of group match is not match who we are going today with a calculation. Everybody is coming to play well to get the victory. But I wish I say the victory can come from your side, because the boys are motivated.
Talking about positive mentality into the game, your players too have said the same thing, that they are going into the game with positive mentality. Is that what you see at the training ground?
Yes, that's why we are seeing every time that this match is particularly the players, when you saw the way everybody giving his effort to be in the 20-man squad. You see, but it's in that situation, and the positive situation is good. If we taking all these positive situation for one particular match, you see, if you are going to do all these things in the previous match, I think we can be better for us. But football is like that. Sometimes, because the danger is there. There is particular match, but the danger is there. You don't want the people take no points, leave us at the back.
Are there any injury situation in camp?
Well, the injury situation we have, unfortunately, Ramsey out now. He doesn't recover, and Abreu coming on it. We have Yaya who starting training, but Alfred also is injured. That's the particular situation we have.
The fans. What message do you have for them?
The fans is all the time the same message we're giving for them. And we need them to come, numbers, support the team, because we like it or not, the team is for them. Everything we are doing for them. That's why we are accepting the criticize. We are listening, we are taking a positive one, but we need them to come. Without them, we are playing for them. We know these fans, when they criticize us, because they love the team. They love the people who are leading the team in this moment. And if it's no good, it's normal to criticize. You understand? And we accept the criticism. We are calling them to come in numbers, not only Kotoko, the follow matches who are coming also to come and encourage the boys and go forward.
We some opinion fans Abubakar Watara into Jahata Fox squad, he say Bibian Sono Etimi I set players and so soap preparation Bibia so air coso na hata folk players such as say I'm some 8 milligram not just say Nyambo China I'm a game on so Abaso Senator Benjamin Asari and so 8 Ekaho Kwasi Inketia air goalkeeper Kevin Osei SCB Kunadu Yadom, Samuel Amofa, Emmanuel Amankwa, Michael Ampadu Astaris, Edano doubtful, Afe David upon Afane, Theophilus Collingson, Martin Kakari, and so Ekao Rafa Amponsa, Mawuli Wayo, Set Osei Kojo, Kwasi Asma, Hussein Mohammed, Steven, Apia Sari Shankiki, Kwabena Boaten, and so 8 Mikaon, Asamoah Boaten, Anafri Abdul, Aziz Adam, Amosom a players Algram, our team. Your friend say Accra to Foka, our common squad, Benjamin Ansari, Kwesi Asma, Kevin Osei SCP, Kunadu Iyadom, Samuel Amofa, Emmanuel Amankwa, Michael Ampadu, David upon Afane, Theophilus Collingson, Aya Martin Kakari, Aya player for say Aya Rafael Amponsa, Mawili Wayo Set Osei Kojo, Kwesi Asma, Aya player for say Hussein Mohammed, Steven Apia Asari Shankiki, Kwabena Boaten, Asamoah Boaten, Anna Abdul Aziz Adam, and so 8 Mika Oba Asante Kotoko. And so Edia me pacho Modiano Fabulous, Diano, and so Frederick Asari, Eka goalkeepers no Mohamed Kamara, and so Eka goalkeepers no Daniel Adrain Ajete Patrick Eya Asedu Samba Onel Indongani. Michael Sefa Henry Ansu Justice Nkuku Blay Joseph Ablo Samuel Tenedu Andres Intim Manu Michael Che Jamina Enso Etimi Ekau Afe player finance Baba Yaya Ekau Emmanuel Entry Albert Amwa Kwampoku Samson Eduku Fernando Bassi Enso Ekau Elvis J Bafo and Afe Dawuda Saka Enso Etimi Ekau Frederick Asari Mohamed Kamara Aye Daniel Adrian Ajete Patrick Asiedo Samba Onel Ndongani Henry Ansu Enso Ekau Michael Sefa Joseph Abla and so account Justice Nkuku Blay, Samuel Tenedu Andrews Intim Mano, Michael J. Jaminam, Babayaya, Emmanuel Enki, Albert Amwa, Waya, Kwampoku, a player Fanasa Samson Eduku, Fernando Balsi, and so can Elvis J. Bafo and Dawuda Saka. Amasom a players I just almost suram area amatima fan say Asante Kotoko just say gate fini dear oko gate wa a part of be auto just say 50 Ghana series 80 Ghana series 150 Ghana series 200 Ghana series and afi 300 Ghana series okwa onsa and so betimi akabi na bibia so etimi akoso kama players amoso enya available ensia kan matima ye fan say akrato fokuno the part of senate yaya Jaman Insakan, Henry Tete Insakan, and a player fan of Ahmed Yusuf Ramsey, and so intiminsakan Ematima, Jafenese, a crowd of folk, and so said the answer so etimitia, yet didn't want some Ebantinambo channel, and Payano so with me a jam. 1 year fan a Accra Sports Stadium, the Nelson, Wembley, and so etimi elho.